Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram button on YouTube channel. So first of all, go ahead to your Instagram right here. And what you're going to do, you're going to click on your profile at the bottom right corner. And what you're going to do, you're going to just click right here, share profile. And as you can see, you're going to see a barcode, right? Just hit right here, copy link, because we only need the link for that step. Alright, so I'm gonna just cancel right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm gonna type studio.youtube.com. Again, studio.youtube.com, and hit go at the bottom right. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just wait it out for a few moments, and you're gonna continue to the studio. You're gonna see a pop-up window appearing in front of you, and you're gonna see a tools right here on your left, right? You're gonna see in the last two options, you're gonna see a magic button, and you're gonna see an audio audio playlist, right? Go ahead and click at the magic. Let me zoom in. The magic right here, the magic pencil or magic pen, click on it right here. This is a button for customization, right? So you're gonna see right here, your channel customization, for your videos and everything. Go ahead right here and click the basic info right here at the top. You're gonna see it, and you're gonna see this is your name, this is your username basically, and you can change it to whatever you want, and scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna see the links for your social media, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna name the link, which is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever it might be, and you're gonna add the link or the URL. So let's say I added right here Instagram, right? I click the plus button and then add the link title, and then I'm gonna paste the link that I just copied right here into this section. If it was Instagram link, you're gonna enter the Instagram link. If it was a TikTok link, you're gonna add the TikTok URL, and then basically after you finish, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit save or publish at the top right, and now you just saved your settings. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.